Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. The Vatican has just released the latest data. By 2022, there will be nearly 14 million new Catholics worldwide through baptism and reception or RCIA. Africa, the Americas, Asia, and Oceania have all seen growth. However, in 2022, Europe is the only continent that does not show growth in Catholics. This is due to the low birth rate compared to deaths in Europe, coupled with the rapidly growing wave of atheism that has led to many European Catholics, Protestants, Muslims, Orthodox, and other religions converting to atheism. On the other hand, despite the low growth of believers in Europe, there are a number of European countries whose Catholics are actually growing rapidly. That's amazing. Here are the 10 European countries with the fastest growth in Catholics based on the percentage of people's growth from 2020 and 2021. Data directly from G-Catholic. 10. France. The country famous for the apparition of Our Lady of Lourdes is the 10th fastest growing Catholic country in Europe. In 2020, there were 48.8 million French Catholics. In 2021, it rose to 49 million Catholics, or an increase of 242,000 new believers, so that the percentage of parishioner growth reached 0.5%. This is because in the 21st century, many French people from various religions are called to convert to Catholicism. In fact, in 2024, on Easter night, there were 12,000 people who participated in adult baptism into Catholicism throughout France. Most of them adhere to Islam and some are atheists and then called to convert to Catholicism. 9. Ireland. As of 2021, there are 4.9 million Catholics in Ireland, making up the majority. Ireland is also the 9th fastest growing Catholic country in Europe. Yes, Catholics here grew by 0.56%, or an increase of 27,000 people. Not only that, even the neighboring country of the Republic of Ireland, namely of country of Northern Ireland, has also become a Catholic majority since 2021, accounting for 46% of the population, where previously it was a Protestant majority. 8. England. Entering the 21st century, the Catholic Church is growing so rapidly in the country of England that we often hear many congregations from the Anglican Church of England and even Anglican priests and bishops who convert to Catholicism. Yes, this makes the England the 8th fastest growing Catholic country in Europe. There are currently 4.7 million Catholics in the England, or about 10% of the population. Catholics here are growing at a rate of 0.58%. This is higher than Ireland and France. 7. Sweden. In the 21st century, the Catholic Church is growing very rapidly in Sweden. Yes, Sweden recorded a growth in Catholics of 0.76% from 2020 until 2021. Currently, the population of Swedish Catholics reaches 133,000 people, or almost 2% of the population. Most of them are former Protestants. 6. Switzerland. The country of Switzerland recorded a growth of 0.94% in Catholics. Even Switzerland which used to be majority Protestant, has now become majority Catholic. Currently, Switzerland's Catholic population reaches almost 3.6 million or 41% of the population. The second largest is atheist at 34% of the population. Protestantism has dropped from 58% to 21% of the population. Five, Norway. Norway is the fifth fastest growing Catholic country in Europe. Yes, Catholicism is growing so fast in this country in the 21st century that it has become the fastest growing religion compared to other religions. Today, Norway's Catholic population accounts for almost 4% of the population, or 172,000 people in 2021, and is growing by 1.18%. Protestantism in Norway has dropped dramatically from 96% in 1960 to just 69% in 2019. Many Norwegian Protestants have converted to atheism and many have become Catholics. 4. Kosovo. Apart from Turkey and Albania, Kosovo is also a majority Muslim country in Europe. Who would have thought that in this Muslim country, Catholicism is growing rapidly, even the fourth fastest in Europe, with a growth of 1.69%. The Catholic population in the country from 59,000 increased by 1,000 new believers in just 1 year to 60,000, growing by 1.69%. Kosovo Catholics now make up about 6% of the population. Three, Malta. As many as 81% of Malta's population is Catholic and is the majority, or as many as 415,000 people in 2021. No wonder this small country in southern Italy is so thick with Catholicism. Who would have thought Malta is also the country with the third or fastest growth of Catholics in Europe, growing by 1.72%. 3. Slovenia. This country, which borders Italy to the north, is the second fastest growing Catholic country in Europe. Yes, in 2020, there were only 1.52 million Catholics in this country and then increased to 1.56 million in 2021, or an increase of 42,000 new believers in just a year. That's a growth of 2.77%. Catholics now make up 74% of Slovenia's population and are the majority. 1. Luxembourg. Luxembourg is the country with the fastest growth of Catholics in all of Europe. Who would have thought that one of the smallest countries in Europe even recorded a growth of up to 3.06% in just 1 year, higher than other European countries. In 2020, there were only 457,000 Catholics, then 471,000 in 2021, or an increase of 14,000 in just 1 year, resulting in a percentage growth of up to 3.06%. Catholics now make up 73% of Luxembourg's population and are the majority in one of the famous developed countries in the world. Luxembourg has even been named the richest country in the world. Despite technological and economic advances, The people of Luxembourg remain faithful to their faith in the Lord Jesus in the Catholic Church, and the Catholic faith continues to grow here. In September 2024, Pope Francis also made an apostolic visit to this country after visiting Indonesia. My Catholic is awesome friend. Those are the 10 countries with the fastest growth of Catholics in continental Europe. It's amazing, even the midst of the news of the wave of atheism sweeping in Europe, Catholics in this country are actually growing rapidly. May the Catholic faith continue to grow and re-evangelization in Europe continue to develop so that the Catholic faith continues to triumph and shine in mainland Europe, which was once an extraordinary missionary and preacher of the faith. My Catholicism is cool and awesome. Salve and Shalom.